What's up, my stylish people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stylish KENNA here, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. This is a wig unit that I have absolutely fell in love with, and all the specs to this wig unit, how you can purchase it, will be down in the description bar. Make sure y'all check that out. The link will be down below. And this hair is from Hairitory hair, like I stated, on Amazon. And y'all already know they come with the goodies. I got some lashes, and y'all, this is a 30-inch straight wig unit. I'm so excited to put this on. So we're gonna get right to it. I'm gonna bleach the knots, do all that. I always bleach my knots. I never ever not bleach the knots unless it say don't bleach the knot. It's already been bleached. But y'all see how long this 30-inch is. Yeah, so it come with the strap. We got the pins. Of course, I'm going to remove the pins and just keep the strap on, and the knots are bleached. And we just gonna see how it fit, and we're gonna cut out the everything excess that we're not using. But y'all already know these steps. I'm pretty much just gonna hush and let y'all just watch and enjoy the video. Let me know if y'all like when I apply my wig unit. Should I do different styles? What type of styles would you guys like to see? Let me know. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos so you guys will not miss out on a video. So hit that notification. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the video. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I hope you enjoy. Bye. Last minute pips to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it, cause you know I like it. Making up a
yeah, catch up on that AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up